Hey, Glenn Clark here with Browse Lenders. Today I was talking with a consumer, and that consumer was asking, Glenn, the lender that I'm working with keeps mentioning a 2-1 buy down, a 2-1 buy down. What is a 2-1 buy down? And I had to let them know, although I am the founder and owner, CEO, master, if you will, at Browse Lenders. I'm not a lender. However, what I did do is create a resource section at Browse Lenders that will allow for every consumer that is interested or willing to invest the time and the energy to truly understand the terms associated with the largest purchase that many of us will make in our entire life. Um, Therefore, what I did is create on Browse Lenders a section at the footer called mortgage terms. And within this section, we have greater than 225 different mortgage terms that are associated with the home buying process, with the mortgage industry, with the real estate industry. It allows for a consumer that has the willingness or the interest in learning different terms as it pertains to the largest purchase that they will ever make, or many of us will ever make in our entire life. It educates that consumer in a way where it allows for them to converse freely with that loan officer, with that attorney, with that realtor that will from time to time utilize terms that us as a consumer, as a novice, may not really truly understand. Therefore, again, although I am not a lender today, I have greater than 2 decades as a loan officer. So the terms that are used, I understand. However, many consumers, as mentioned, don't. So here, right at the top, that consumer was in a position to truly understand in great detail what a 2-1 buy down is. However, that's that consumer. Let's say another consumer is speaking with a real estate agent and or a lender, and they use the term purchase agreement. Well, you can just come directly over to Browse Lenders and find out exactly what a purchase agreement is. And a purchase agreement is your contract. And that contract is something that a buyer will submit for the ability to acquire or buy a home. And although it's known as a contract, it's also known as a purchase agreement. And that purchase agreement is a term that many consumers just are unaware of. They probably don't hear it all the time, but they hear the term contract. Well, it's one and the same. So it's a way at Browse Lenders for you to educate yourself so that when these terms are used by your lender, your realtor, your attorney, if you're dealing with an attorney, you have a grasp of what's happening. Let's say you've heard the terms Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Well, here is Fannie Mae and here is Freddie Mac. You're in a position, again, to learn different things that you probably didn't know about Freddie Mac and about Fannie Mae. Therefore, educating you so that you have the ability to have a well versed conversation with the individuals that are doing your mortgage, that are helping you find a home, that's representing the legal aspect of, again, you making the largest purchase of your life. Another one would be your credit score. Which one is the most important credit score? Many people are unaware that your middle credit score is by far the most important credit score that you have. Lenders, their products and programs will approve you based off of the strength of your middle credit score. Now, again, policies and programs may differ. However, I would strongly suggest that greater than 90%, or if not a full 100% of the lenders out there approve you based off the strength of your middle credit score. And here at Browse Lenders, mortgage term section, you're in a position to discover everything there is to know. I wouldn't say everything, but understand a large portion of information as it pertains to your middle credit score. Moreover, you're in a position to have a direct link to the platform middlecreditscore.com, and that platform will allow for you, just as Browse Lender's mortgage term section is doing, provide you insight on your credit scores, mainly your middle credit score. So it gives you the base needed to either maintain your credit score, restore your credit score, and or improve your credit score. And middlecreditscore.com is a free platform for those consumers that have aspirations of having a better understanding about their middle credit score. Similar to Browse Lenders is a free platform that allows you, the consumer, to connect with 6 lenders that are available in your state. You're in a position to submit your unique loan scenario and invite 6 lenders to preview your unique lending scenario. And when those lenders begin to talk mortgage terms to you, you're in a position to utilize middle credit score in conjunction to Browse Lenders mortgage terms section, so that you have a solid base on just about, again, every mortgage term there is in the mortgage industry and also in the real estate industry. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that this video provides you insight on what's available to you, that consumer that has aspirations on gaining a more in-depth understanding of mortgage terms with respect to the largest purchase that many of us will make in our life. So again, I'm Glenn Clark. If you have any questions, concerns, ideas, visit us here at Browse Lenders, or feel free to reach out to us at support@browselenders.com. Thank you, and good luck buying your home.